You know me, I want to keep it real, and I'm calling you from another bathroom. This time from Greece. Let me flip around and show you something. This is much like China. You use the toilet paper and then put it in the trash can over there. All together now. Yikes. You know, their plumbing isn't great. The little bit of toilet paper you might use could really mess up their system. We are in Aix-en-Provence right now. Bathrooms here, public bathrooms, not stellar.
Like this outhouse.
We are very spoiled in America. However, I just found something that I had to share with you. Pink toilet paper. How great is this?
I have to say the pink paper towels are also cute. And in Athens, you felt a little bit like you were on a game show trying to figure this out. By the way, you push it. And if you want to use a bathroom in Capri, make sure you have some euros on hand. Here, it's not free. This bathroom in Rome looked very promising until I realized there's no toilet seat and you basically ring a doorbell to flush it up here somehow. Although free, you'll want a tip. And here was my dilemma at our hotel. Here is the toilet. Up here is how you flush it. Which one? One, two, both? I don't know. A good choice pretty much anywhere in the world. Look for a McDonald's.